Let's play and add. We have some red hearts and some yellow hearts. Let's count and see how many hearts we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 hearts. Now we have some oranges, apples and strawberries. Let's count and see how many fruits we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fruits. Now we have some different types of flowers. Let's count and see how many flowers we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 flowers all together.